On the left-hand side, click Elements, search for Page Corner, and I'm going to go to Graphics, and I can select any of these page corners here. Let's say I want to go for this one. I'm going to put this page corner at the bottom. And then I'm going to switch this to a page view, copy this page and paste it again. And then in my second page, I'm going to drag this page corner all the way through. And I'm going to come over here, click between the two pages and click on Add Transition. Click on Match Move. So I can adjust the duration of how much I want to move the pages. So here I can edit the timing of each page. Let's say I want to make it for 1 second. And then apply it to all pages. So right now, this duration is at its max. So that means that the page effect is going to be at its slowest. So I'm going to go to Preview. You can see this is the slowest page turn effect. And if I take the scroll bar and scroll all the way to the left, this is at its fastest. So if I do Preview again, you can see how the page flips really fast, and that's at its fastest speed. So you can adjust the duration of how fast you want to flip the page here. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.